So it's me and Kyle here driving back home from San Antonio.
Bored as hell.
Bored as hell. So I'm the genius to come up with a bright idea with, guess what? This.
I'm Honk if I'm sexy.
Yeah, Honk if I'm sexy.
Means me, not him.
We know the truth. It's me. So, as you can see, place on the window. Put my face like a retard. And check the reactions of people. By the way, we are 1 for 14 for the past 20 minutes.
An 18-wheeler.
And an 18-wheeler.
Probably deprived of sleep.
But he got a good laugh out of it.
Yes, he did.
He's probably a creeper for all we know. But oh well. Now we're going for part 2. Take 2. Ready. Go.
She looked at her phone. What a douchebag.
Next one. Damn it! He exited.
Douchebag. Every time we have somebody that doesn't like look at it or anything like that, it's a Class A douchebag is what we like to call them.
Class A douche.
Class A. Not a Class C.
Or D.
Or B. But a Class A douchebag.
Take 5.
Take 3. Yeah! Yeah!
Total not douchebag.
That guy was pretty awesome. Not gonna lie. Alright, we'll get back to you. We'll come back.
Date with his wife and they quit drinking, but he didn't tell me.
Turn to the right.
Am I the only one who wants to have fun tonight?
Come on, baby. Honk. Come on, Honk. Yeah!
Yeah, Honk. Yes.
I said it like you said. Come on, baby, come on. He said, take 5. Music stopped. Oh, there it went. Come on, Perisky.
Come on. Look this way. I want you to look.
Yeah!
Take whatever.
Yeah! I think it's take 6. We're gonna go take 7. This is a minivan, people! Soccer mom!
If you can't get enough
That's not
Christmas
very
music,
good.
you can listen to nothing but your Christmas favorites on our Christmas station.
Look, lady.
Love.com.
Nah, fuck it.
Man, what a douchebag!
Alright,
Ready?
Next truck.
Ready? Alright, now we got truck right there. We're coming up on it. Come on, baby, Honk. Come on, Honk. Yeah, Honk. Yeah.
Thank you for tuning in to me and Kyle.
We will call this episode the
Come on, genius.
The Road Caroling. Something like that. I don't know.
Now, the point is,
We'll let y'all figure out what to call it.
we want to thank you for tuning in on Facebook if you were.
Or if we sent it to you.
Look, if you got videos,
Yes.
and I think you know who you are. But for right now, we're jamming out to this Christmas music. And, right?
song.
I don't know the song either, but just the halls of balls are falling, rocking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Ah, bitch. I hurt. Good chick.
I already got one of those. That's two.
That was Shane's re-
We're here on the way back home. San Antonio. Ah, douchebag. Douchebag!
What a douche. Wrong way, dang. Like a whole fucking conversation. Oh, no cussing now. Oh shit.
Alright, so it's me and Kyle. Bored as fuck. Hey, say hello to Kyle. Kyle. I cussed up. Damn it! I cussed.